Did you know Goliath was a staggering 10 feet tall? That's right. In 1 Samuel 17:4, he's described as 6 cubits and a span. Imagine facing that in battle. And speaking of battles, David wasn't just a slingshot hero. He once caught a lion and a bear by their beards and killed them. That's in 1 Samuel 17:34 to 35. Talk about bravery. Then there's Solomon, who had a direct line to God. In 1 Kings 9:2-3, the Lord appeared to him face to face. These stories are packed with incredible moments. Like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.